season 5, episode 2, and this is a impromptu golf cart confession with Beth Wheeler, your friend in real estate. What's up, Beth?
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing fabulous.
Fabulous. What
Yes.
do you want to confess to today on Golf Cart Confessions, Beth?
Okay. Well, you know, of all the things.
Of all the things. Oh, wait a minute. Do you have more than one confession?
I really am actually. I mean, I live a great life.
Do
but
you?
I'm not too on the fringe.
Okay.
But I am. I'm not even closeted. I'm just out with it.
Out with
out
it.
and proud.
Out and
80s,
proud.
hair metal, rocker chick.
You're an 80s hair metal rocker chick.
Give me all the Metallica. Give me all the Def Leppard. Now, I love Jesus.
Yes.
But I like to rock. Too.
Oh, she likes to rock.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
it. You're not the rocket realtor, you're your friend.
In the real estate business.
That's
yes,
right.
yes.
So that's a
But
good
I do rock while I do that.
Do you?
Yes,
Awesome.
always. Yes.
Selling them houses.
That's right.
I love it.
I
So
love it.
that's a really good segue into what you do for a living. So Beth,
Yes.
tell
Kenny.
us, what do you do for a living and how do you help the people of Bowling Green and everywhere around?
Well, I love to list and sell houses, but I mostly love my clients and my customers.
Yes.
So providing that excellent level of customer service, I want to be your realtor for life.
Yes.
I want you to be offended if somebody you know uses another realtor.
I like it.
Because you and I are that tight. And
Yeah.
I want to take care of you, make sure you're covered, make sure you're protected in your contract and the whole negotiations. And I want to provide the best service for you and be your source, whether you're ready to buy a house or not. I want you to feel free to call me anytime with any real estate questions.
Absolutely. You
Always.
can call Beth anytime for
Yep.
questions that you have.
Yep.
And, you help sellers and buyers, right?
Absolutely. Yes. Mhm.
So, yes, she can help you.
I
Now,
got you
what's your
covered.
Facebook page?
My Facebook page is Beth Wheeler Realtor. That's easy.
Make sure,
Yeah.
make sure you go and give her a like over
Yeah,
at
like
Beth
it. Hit the
Wheeler
little thumb.
Realtor.
Mhm.
Give it a like, give it a share, give it a
Yep.
thumbs up,
A
give it
heart.
everything. Hearts. Hey,
All of
that's
it.
right,
Yeah,
hearts. Yeah, give it all.
Give it the hearts.
Are you on Instagram or anything like that?
I am on Instagram, Beth WKY. So
Beth WKY. Find her on Instagram.
Find me.
Go follow her.
Come find me.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
she'll find you a house.
I will.
Yes.
Or sell your house and then find you another one.
That's right.
Mhm.
Because you work for buyers and sellers.
Absolutely.
Yes, you do.
Absolutely.
Well, I appreciate
I love
this impromptu
It was fun.
golf cart
I had
confession.
fun. It
Was
was so
this
much
not fun?
It was so much fun.
All right.
Yep.
Well,
Thank
good
you,
deal.
Kenny.
Thank you so much.
As I had the best time here today.
Have you?
It's been so much fun.
Good
Yep.
deal.
Yep.
Guys, when you want to buy a car, where should they go?
They should come here
Yes.
to Toyota of Bowling Green.
Yes,
And they
it's-
should see you.
That's right. The Kenny Landrum.
That's
Hey,
right.
guys, Chris Bowling. We got to give a huge shout out to
yes.
Chris Bowling.
Chris was great. Everybody here was great. Chris took good care of me too while Kenny was doing some other things, and so it was a team effort.
Yes.
And I love that too. I
Yes.
love that. You know, it wasn't a competitive. You know, it was just great. It was
everybody
was super friendly that I ran into while I was here. Not ran into.
Not ran into. You didn't run into
Well,
him?
we're not done with the cart yet, so we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, no, everybody was fantastic, and I've just had fun. I've laughed buying a car.
Yeah.
Laughed. I've had a good time.
Had a good time buying
Yeah.
a car.
Yeah.
Isn't that different?
What do you know?
What do you
It
know?
can
What do you
happen.
know?
It can happen.
It can happen.
Yeah. So if you like to have fun while you're buying a car, if you like to have fun while you're buying a house, we got you.
We got you covered,
Yeah.
guys.
We do.
Beth, thank you so much.
Thank you,
I
Ken.
appreciate you
I
joining me
appreciate
today.
you. It's been fun.
Has it been fun?
It's been a blast.
Guys, it's been a blast. So, that was season 5, episode 2 of Golf Cart Confessions. Who will we interview next?